Hi guys, the camera still works. Let's not jinx it. This is the Wonder Machine. You probably have never seen a manual washing machine. This is it. It has very few buttons. It has that button there, and you put the water here. We preheat the water because this machine that usually also heats the water. This one doesn't work. It has no thing for to heat the water, and this is it. I've boiled some water on the, as you saw, on the big pot on the open fire, and now I'm gonna put some detergent on it. The manual kind is very, very good. Go, 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 go. The clothes are very, very dirty. Hey! Opal! You're killing me! Opal! Such a naughty pup. Okay. Let's put some more. I think it's enough. And now the water is just fine. Nice and warm. Very nice. And you turn it on. I want you to see how it works. This is the cable. Jeez, I hope you don't chew my cable. Let me put it up somewhere. There is somebody who... I need to do this with the camera. That's the camera. Okay, now. I need to put this up. So that they don't chew it. This is my plug from the inside. I'm connecting. And you just turn the machine on. Woo! Shit! Woo! But you need to put the lid. Okay, so it works like that. Unfortunately, I think I put too much water. I don't know. And you can see. Now all I need is to put the clothes in. So this is it, Catherine. This is how a manual washing machine works. This is of my brother's. He had it somewhere there. They don't use it. So I hope it works with us. When I was very, very little, before the revolution, everybody had this sort of washing machine. Nobody had the automatic one. Only people who went abroad, and we never knew it existed. Okay, now, bye.